Oh my god.
Janice, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Canadian thunderstorm.
Yeah. Look at it.
Wait.
That's nutty.
Oh.
Where's the card at?
Card's right here. We are about to place a card in the rain in our mansion of a tent.
In the mansion!
See the size of this thing?
We have to run cable.
Yeah, we have to run cable.
What the hell? I'm a retard.
Yeah.
Really?
Janice, run it under her dog bed. Run it around it then. Like around the wall thingy. Yeah, how retarded is this? We have power to our tent and we have to run it around.
Yeah.
There.
Anybody for Skip-Bo? I've got Skip-Bo.
Let's play Star Wars Monopoly.
At least when you're camping, you know to come prepared.
Yeah.
Bring
At least in
cards.
Canada.
Yeah. Bring fucking cards, because you'll have to. You can bring cards everywhere. I used to carry cards with my backpack. The fucking... The wind's blowing up the hill. Why don't you have drinks? Really?
What? Yeah, geez, Janice, where's our beers?
I don't know. Why don't we have drinks?
Because you didn't pass us to him.
Whoa! Pass us to them?
Pass us to him.
Who doesn't have... Oh, somebody's glass. Your glass, I think. In the camper.
It's beer o'clock though.
Beer cloth. We're done with the hard shit till the morning.
Yeah.
Remember, we start off with hard shit and then we go to beer. Every day. That's how we're gonna work it.
Yep.
Oh, you know what?
This is insane.
What? You know what the movies I got? Spaceballs and Men in Tights.
Oh, fucking A. Oh, I love fucking Spaceballs and Men in Tights. That shit's funny. Kitty!
Even the flies are
Whoopee.
trying to
No, I'm not calling you over here. No.
no.
Yes, you
Well,
were
lay down.
calling her over.
Well, lay down. What else are you a Pepsi for?
I don't know.
Why is that's yours?